Hello fellow YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. As I mentioned before, I had a few upgrades to the four-wheeler. I ordered the foot supports from Amazon. They came in, I put them on yesterday. The bolts that came with it I could not use, so I had extra bolts kicking around, and that's why I put them on. I had to ground the sides on here and here for them to fit on that little lip. And inside here, I reinforced it like I mentioned before. Right there. And right there. I gotta fix that mess. And I had to move it back, because when somebody sat on it, they felt like they were going forward because the rack was not sitting properly. And what I had to do to bring it up to level, I had some extra nuts, car parts, I do believe, as you can see right there. And I had to go down to a store, Barker Harry's in here in Berwick, and get longer bolts. Right there. Right there is the longer bolts. And adjacent to that, I had to add this piece of metal I had. But I had it out too far, and I couldn't get the seat out. So I had, instead of breaking the welds, I just cut it off, smooth it out, and you recognize this. This is a ladder step for a pull, and then when they sit down on it, they're sitting upright. But I'm notice this is too fat, so I got to take up some of the cushion out of this. When I sit in it, I can feel it hit me in the back too hard. But that's about it of working on this part. Now, second part, I was checking the tire pressures, and you start, that one there is 6. That one is a little over 9. I should say 6.5, 9.5 on this side. That side is 6.5, and that one is 0 pressure. It's raining out. I was going to take the wheels off and check to see if there's any leaks around the stems, and go from there around the rims or anything like that and try to seal them. But it's raining today, and I wasn't able to do that until I had busy today. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, I went for a burner last night, again, down from Berwick to Kingston. I made a video of it, but my video camera case, it's one of those enclosed cases. I didn't realize after I put the camera into the case head was all smeared and cloudy, so the lens was kind of distorted. I did a video, it was an hour long. I'll be posting that one soon, sometime, to show my trip down the old Harvest Moon Trailway. And it's gonna be a fun trip. It's long. I've passed a few people, and just disregard of all that crap. I think that's about it. So you take her easy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Helps the channel. And I think that's about it for this old beast of machine. And it stopped raining again. We're having sporadic showers here. Anyway, peace out.